Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishna and today I'm gonna show you how to control your mobile from your laptop. It's Android mobile from your laptop. So you can make calls from within the laptop, send an SMS or share files between your laptop and mobile just by dragging and dropping. So let's see what are the options we have, and it's very pretty and useful. I mean, if you're in office and busy, I mean, you don't have to, look into your phone. Everything looks, everything you can control from your laptop. Okay, so let's get it. And this is done using an app called Android. So it has multiple options. So you have to download an app onto your mobile, but you don't have to install anything in your desktop or laptop. But of course, if you want better control, you can download a software or an app into your laptop. But right now, let's see how to do that without any software installation on your laptop. Okay, so the left side is my mobile. Okay, and I have already installed the Android. Yeah, this is it. Just open this. Okay, and now I'm gonna open this, and so you have option to use this Android with Windows, Mac. So right now I'm gonna do with the web, Android web. So I don't have to install anything on the laptop. Click that. Okay, this is loading, and yeah, if I have an account we can sign in, and there is an option to sign in with the Google. But I will go with the one-time setup with this QR code. Okay, on your Android, click on this scan QR code. So before that, select the Android web. Okay, so I have already shared this link before. So click on scan QR code. Yep. Yeah, then click on sign in. Yes, your device is ready. So this is the device information, and so we have these options: share file, URL, clipboard. So URL, I mean, you just type something and it will open on your mobile. Okay, this is my website. You can see. That's beautiful. It's nice. Yeah, I saw in the app, not the web. Okay, that's my site. Okay, it's good. And then let's see how to make a call. Right, I'm using the Airtel India, so we'll dial this. Yeah, it is. I think it will ring it on my phone, but I wanted it to be on a desktop. Okay, I don't know that. Maybe we'll need to see that later. And if there is any message, oh no. Okay, notification, and then your feedback, languages. Okay, that's about it. And okay, if I drag a file, it will go to this location. No, 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 no. Okay, yeah, I think this location. Select the folder. Let me try with this folder. Yep, it is uploading. And then clipboard. So if you're in app, different app, and if you want to copy stuff between the apps, this will be handy. Okay, yeah, we have a lot of steps here. Camera, I think look on a camera properly disabled while you're using the mirror. Okay, Continue. I don't know what is this. Let's see. Yeah, but I don't know the quality of this. Looks like it is. Yeah. Oh, nice. Take a shot. It's good. Actually, it's creating a cascading effect. Okay, let's close it. Mhm. Yeah, you can, I think, upload the APIs, APKs, sorry. Yeah, it looks handy. So this is my phone. Should just- Yeah, we took a screenshot, but that is not that useful because we have better options with the phone. Yeah, that's it for today, and I thought it has a screen sharing option. Maybe the computer, I mean desktop application must have that. Yeah, that's it for today. Next time I'll come up with a better, I mean new videos. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.